Hello, it's Miss Nicole from the South Fayette and Bridgeville Libraries, and I'm here today to talk to you parents about kindergarten readiness. This summer, we have a whole kit to give you and your child to get ready for kindergarten. All through this pandemic, I've been making kindergarten readiness videos for you to help your child get ready and get some skills that they need for when they get to kindergarten. In the kit, you'll first see the content list, everything that is in there. And when you open it, you'll have a nice aqua paper to tell you that the videos that I've made will have different parts of the kits that go with it. So all of our videos are on the South Fayette and the Bridgeville YouTube channels, the Bridgeville Library YouTube channels, and you can find cutting skills to strengthen your fingers. And inside your little pencil case, you will find scissors for your child, and you want to teach them thumbs up so that they can cut and to hold on to a paper with the other hand. Also, we've got straws, different sizes, and this will help your child strengthen their fingers when they cut the straws instead of just different kinds of paper. We have a pencil and a pom-pom, and I will show you how the child holds the pom-pom with their fingers and then the pencil with their fingers to start practicing writing and strengthening their fingers that way. We also have an alphabet sheet and primary paper. We're going to talk about patterns by cutting out shapes from our colored papers. You're getting a glue stick and a glue bottle, and I talk about how to use those correctly. You will do some PlayDoh shapes, so we gave you some PlayDoh to use to practice making your shapes. You can also strengthen your fingers by doing Laceups. So I gave you an apple lace-up. You can make more yourself at your house. So the videos will help guide you how to use the materials and why you're using them, and you can continue to watch them and do more. We also have a bingo card, and when you and your child watch a video, one of our videos, fill in the box. Maybe you watched beginning sounds and you played the games that I told you there. Fill in the box, and when you get 5 done, come in and get a small prize like a pencil. When you do the whole card, please come in and get a larger prize like a free book. I also give you some book lists. I made 9 different book lists to go with 9 different videos. And you could find these books in the library. They're for our teeth brushing one. There's all kinds of tooth books, nursery rhymes to practice your rhyming, number books, books about making up stories. So you get lots of great things to use all summer long, along with our YouTube channel videos. So enjoy getting ready for kindergarten with your child. We'll see you at the library. Bye-bye.